This is OPPO A57s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards and open the notification and control panel. Swipe downwards from the status bar. Then expand the available shortcuts menu. Find the icon that is responsible for the Wi-Fi. Touch and hold on it. Then once the Wi-Fi settings page gets opened, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll simply go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Then tap on it. At the following network details page, tap once again, but this time at the Wi-Fi QR code section. And you'll get this little pop-up window that will provide you not only with the actual Wi-Fi password to this particular network, but also with the QR code that you can use in order to get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, and by the way, you can also share this network through the nearby share function. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.